Welcome to Tips and Tricks. This hopefully will help your group move along quickly. Tip number 1, don't skip the brainstorming step. It also is part of your grade, but it will make a project much more difficult. But don't spend too long on the brainstorming step at the same time. Here's one way you can speed it along. Have each group member watch a different regional video. So there are 4 regional videos. Plus, I put a few other videos not made by me in there that I think are pretty good as well. So don't get stuck on watching the videos though. So this is in the brainstorming section of Canvas. Write down the places you want to go. Make sure that you have cities, physical features in there, and cultural monuments in there as well. Make sure everyone in your group has a voice. This is not one person's road trip. This is a group of 3 people's road trip, okay? All right, some more tips and tricks. You got to look for places that offer student discounts. You can find them on their websites. You can Google it, things like that. That should help. To find out the cost of going to certain places like Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, you can go visit their website. Yes, you actually have to find out how much it costs to go to the Statue of Liberty, etc. You may want to divide up the responsibility of each place between your group members. So if you are researching going to Louisiana bayous, you might want to have one group member specifically research that and another group member research something like the Grand Canyon or the Vegas Strip, something like that. Any tourist type place, museum, monument that you stop at must be written in your budget, and you need to list what it is in your budget. Specificity is part of the grade. Good news! There are a whole bunch of places all over the country that are actually free or are much less expensive for kids. Helpful websites. So you have this Kiwis Outback. You can get to that website. I'll provide the link for you. And AAA.com is also a really good one for USA road trips. Remember, each night you must show where you stayed. No, you cannot sleep in the car. Okay, bye. Good luck, everybody.